What is insurance? Is it a scam or an investment? What is the purpose of insurance, and do you really need it in your life? Well, hello millionaire! Welcome back to the YouTube channel, the best place for you to learn and share about budgeting, saving, investing, and all things financial literacy. My name is Gertrude, and in today's video, we're going to go through insurance. What is insurance? Is it a scam or an investment? Do you really need it in your life? How does it work? And what is the purpose of insurance? Well, let's get into today's video. First things first, what is insurance? Well, in simple terms, insurance is a financial tool that is used to protect you and me from financial loss. In other words, insurance is a risk mitigation tool used to protect you from financial loss on your wealth creation journey. Some of these losses could include unemployment, disability, death, illnesses, and so on. So, how does insurance work? Well, I'll use an example to explain this. Let's say we have 10 individuals, 10 people who have cars, and each car is worth around 100 bob. This is a hypothetical situation, so bear with me. 10 friends, 10 cars, and each car is valued at 100 bob. And because out of these 10 friends and 10 cars, an accident could happen, leading to the loss, the financial loss. And because we do not know out of these 10 cars which one will get into an accident, these 10 friends agree to be contributing each 10 shillings every month to protect themselves from, in case an accident happens, the affected individual can either get their car fixed or get a new one. Now, this is the basic model for insurance and how insurance works, whereby we have a group of people who face a similar risk, and in order to protect themselves from this financial risk, they contribute a certain amount every month in order for them to be protected in case this financial risk occurs. They can be remunerated. Now, you might be wondering, why would I give my money to an insurance company yet I can keep this amount of money in another place? Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say, for example, you have person A and person B. These two people have cars, and each person approaches a different insurance company, and they are given a quotation of 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month to have their cars covered. Now, person A decides that they would rather save the 50,000 in another savings account, that is a money market fund account, at 50,000. Person B is given the same quotation, decides to take the quotation, and after 4 months, both of these people get into a car accident. Now, remember that person A decided to keep the savings in a money market fund account. So after 4 months, this person has around 200,000 saved up. Now, for person B, this person went ahead with the insurance cover, and although both people have contributed 200,000, for person A, this 200,000 will not be enough to cover the expenses to get the car replaced. But for person B, who decided to keep the amount in an insurance company, will get a brand new car. Now, this is the purpose of insurance. An insurance cover will protect you from financial loss on your wealth creation journey. So, is insurance an investment? In simple terms, no. Insurance is not an investment. However, having an insurance cover is a financial tool that you will use to protect yourself from financial loss on your wealth creation journey. But due to the many financial products that insurance companies are coming up with, we have hybrid insurance covers such as the endowment policy. Now, this is a type of life cover that has some aspects of saving and investment, whereby you will be compensated in case your beneficiaries will be compensated in case you die, or if you outlive the endowment policy, you will also have your investment back. But I believe that you can get better investment returns in other ways other than taking on insurance products. Another hybrid product is the education policy, whereby individuals save up for their kids' education, and after a certain period of time they get their money back. Now, the education policy is not an investment, rather it is a risk mitigation tool, whereby in the unfortunate incident where you as a parent come to an untimely death, your children's education will be secure, such that your kids will get all the benefits of the education policy regardless of how long you've been saving for. Now I go back to the point whereby insurance is a financial tool used to secure you or protect you from unfortunate financial loss on your wealth creation journey. So, is insurance a scam? I believe that most of the people who complain about insurance policies, they were either misled into believing that the insurance policy that they are taking is an investment plan, or they did not go through the insurance contract. So I come back to my question: is insurance a scam? No, it is not. However, if you do not go through the insurance contract and read and understand what you're getting yourself into, you might waste a lot of time, energy, and your money. So before getting into any insurance contract with any insurance company, make sure that you go through the finer details and ask as many questions as possible. Do not sign anything that you do not understand. So, what is the main purpose of insurance? Well, the main purpose is that insurance acts as a safety net for you and your family. So, what are the types of insurance covers that are available in Kenya? One, we have the health cover, which takes care of your hospital bills in case you fall sick and have to go to hospital. Two, we have the life insurance cover, which takes care of your dependents. That is, in case of your death, your dependents get a certain amount of money to cater for your funeral expenses and taking care of them after you die. We also have the disability insurance, whereby it takes care of you and your family in case you get into an accident and get permanently disabled. We also have the critical illness cover, which takes care of you in case you fall critically ill. Some of the critical illnesses include cancer, heart attack, stroke, and so on. We also have the most popular insurance cover, that is the car insurance cover, which takes care of individuals in case of accidents. Now, as usual, I will mention the governing authority here in Kenya, and the governing authority for insurances is the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Kenya. So before you take any insurance cover from any insurance agent, make sure that they are registered by the Insurance Regulatory Authority, that is IRA. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now and give this video a thumbs up if you are learning something new. Now, back to the video. Now, as a young person, do you have to have all these insurance covers? No, but I believe that having a medical cover is a good start. That is before you get dependents and you have to secure their future and also your future, their education and so on. So as for now, the best insurance cover to have as a young person right now is to have at least an insurance, a medical cover. Now, I am going to mention one medical cover, one of the most popular medical covers in Kenya, that is the NHIF, which stands for National Hospital Insurance Fund, that is NHIF. And yes, NHIF might not be the best cover out there, but it is better than having no cover at all. Now, some of the features that I love about the NHIF is that one, the cover is quite affordable. I believe the minimum contribution is around 500 bob per month. Another feature is the inpatient and outpatient feature. That is, the outpatient feature covers medical expenses such as consultations, medicine or drug dispensation, and also lab examination expenses. Patient feature, you get that the bed charges are catered for, maternity and so on. I've also seen that they have included a new feature that is mental health, dental health and so on. Now, here are some of the things that you should look out for when choosing a medical cover or any type of insurance cover. And the first thing is your budget. That is how much you're willing to spare each month to cater for your insurance cover. Now, make sure that it is not way above what you can afford or are willing to spend. Remember that once you take on an insurance cover, this is a contract agreement between you and the insurance company, whereby the insurance company agrees to take on the risk on your behalf. So before choosing any insurance cover, make sure that your budget is within what you can spare and what you can afford each month. Now, the second thing that you should consider when taking on an insurance cover or medical cover is the benefits that come with the insurance cover. Now, insurance covers may have the same basic models, but each insurance company has its own benefits. Now, before you choose any insurance cover, make sure that you get a few quotations from at least 5 insurance companies before settling on one. So look at the benefits that come with the insurance cover or medical cover that you choose. Now, another thing that you should look at before choosing an insurance cover is the customer care service. Now, it will be a very hard time for you if you choose an insurance cover from a company that has poor customer service. Now, imagine this: an emergency has occurred and you need your medical bills covered as soon as possible, but when you use your insurance cover, you find out that the insurance cover is not going through. Now, on top of the distress, financial distress that you already have with the emergency, you have to deal with poor customer service. So before choosing any insurance cover or a medical cover, make sure that the company involved has great customer service. Now, once you've gotten the quotations from the various insurance companies, make sure you go through the contract. And as when it comes to medical covers, make sure that you know the limits, because you might think that you are covered for a certain emergency, for example for critical illnesses, and later come to find out that the cover does not cater to that. So before you sign any document, make sure that you've gone through the insurance cover and check the limits that are in the cover that you have been given. Now you have 30 days to go through the policy document before handing it in. So take your time, go through the insurance document before signing. Ask as many questions as possible. Where you do not understand, ask for clarification. You have that right. Now, one last thing, when it comes to medical covers, make sure that you know the list of hospitals that you can use the medical cover in. Now, in conclusion, having an insurance cover is an important part of your financial plan. Now, as we said earlier, an insurance cover is a financial tool that is used to protect you from financial loss. That is, it is a risk mitigation tool that should be part and parcel of your financial plan alongside your investment plan. Now, that's it for this week's video, and I'll see you in this one.